The Swasthani temple located on the holy Shalini river has made Sangku even more famous. It is the longest bathing fair in Kathmandu city. It is believed that bathing in the Shalini river and seeing the Swasthani Mata will earn merit. Swasthani Bratha is a month-long fast that begins every year on the full moon day of the month of Posh. Even in this extreme cold, male and female devotees safely bathe in the river Shalini. The Swasthani festival is the longest in Nepal and people believe that bathing in it washes away all their sins. The Shali river is a holy river. The place here is peaceful, beautiful and scenic. Due to this, the originality and tradition of Nepal is still alive. People always have faith in the Shali river. In the northeastern corner of the Kathmandu valley lies the ancient town of Sangku, a place where faith, tradition and spirituality have lived for centuries. Flowing beside this historic settlement is the sacred Shalini River, home to one of Nepal's most revered religious traditions, the Swasthani Bratha. Every year, during the coldest month of winter, thousands of devotees gather here with unwavering devotion. They come to bathe in the holy waters of the Shalini River and seek blessings from goddess Swasthani. For the people of Nepal, this is more than a ritual. It is a journey of faith, purification, and spiritual awakening. The Swasthani Bratha begins every year on the full moon day of the month of Posh and continues for an entire month until the full moon of Magh. During this sacred period, devotees observe fasting, perform daily worship, and recite the Swasthani Bratha Katha, a holy scripture that teaches devotion, discipline, morality, and the triumph of good over evil. The Swasthani temple, situated on the banks of the Shalini river, has made Sangku one of Nepal's most important spiritual destinations. The festival is known as the longest bathing fair in Kathmandu Valley and remains deeply rooted in Nepalese culture and religious identity. According to popular belief, bathing in the holy Shalini river and receiving blessings from goddess Swasthani washes away sins and brings spiritual merit, peace, and prosperity. As dawn breaks over Sangku, the sound of prayers echoes through the valley. Despite the freezing temperatures of Magh, devotees enter the cold waters of the Shalini river with remarkable faith and determination. For many, this sacred bath represents purification, not only of the body, but also of the soul. Men and women from different parts of Nepal gather here every morning throughout the month-long observance. Wrapped in traditional clothing and carrying offerings of flowers, fruits, and oil lamps, they pray for health, happiness, and family well-being. The devotion witnessed here reflects the deep spiritual connection Nepali people continue to maintain with their traditions, even in the modern world. The Swasthani festival is not only a religious event. It is also a celebration of Nepalese culture and community life. Families gather every evening to read the sacred stories together. Generations pass down traditions through prayers, songs, and rituals that have remained unchanged for centuries. The streets of Sangku come alive with pilgrims, local vendors, traditional foods, and spiritual gatherings. The festival strengthens social bonds and preserves the cultural identity of the region. In a rapidly changing world, Sangku remains a living symbol of Nepal's originality, heritage, and enduring faith. Beyond its religious significance, the Shalini River is admired for its natural beauty and peaceful surroundings. Nestled among hills and traditional settlements, the river creates an atmosphere of serenity and reflection. Pilgrims Pilgrims and visitors alike find comfort in the calm environment that surrounds this sacred place. For centuries, people have believed in the holiness of the Shalini River. Its waters continue to symbolize purity, hope, and spiritual renewal. The harmony between nature and devotion makes Sangkhu one of the most spiritually enriching destinations in Nepal. The Swasthani Bratha is more than a month-long ritual. It is a timeless expression of faith that continues to unite communities and preserve Nepal's spiritual heritage. Through icy mornings, sacred prayers, and unwavering devotion, the people of Sangkhu keep alive a tradition that has inspired generations. As the lamps illuminate the banks of the Shalini River, they also illuminate something deeper, the enduring spirit of belief, culture, and humanity. In the heart of Sangkhu, the sacred waters continue to flow, carrying with them the prayers, hopes, and traditions of Nepal.
आदरणीय श्रोताल भक्तगणहरू तपाईहरुकै आर्थिक सहयोगमा सार्वजनिक मन्दिर परिसरमा विभिन्न कार्यहरू अगाडि बढिरहेको छ। कृपया तपाईहरु आफै आफ्नो परिवारका सदस्यको नाममा मनोकामना भई जिल्लाबाट पार्टी स्थलमा आएर सहयोग गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। साथी जय गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। जय श्री नारायण। आफ्नो टोकन देखाएर मात्र